Hello! In this video we will see how to work with files and directories using a command line interface. You should be used to working with a graphical user interface in Windows or Mac OS or even in Linux. So you usually just click with your mouse or touchpad and just click and right click and double click. All these gestures make perfect sense until you get into this terminal window that we see on the screen right now. You don't have mouse here. Alright, I'm using PuTTY in Windows, so I have sort of a mouse cursor, but you cannot really use it. So the only thing that you have here is your keyboard. So it's just you, this black screen, and your keyboard. And you need to make sure that you can do everything that you can do with your mouse just using your keyboard. Alright, so let's start and let's see how to work with files. First of all, let's use the pwd command to see where we are now. So what is our current location in the file system of this machine? So I'm now in my home directory, and as you can see, there is this tilde character. It means so it always means the home directory. So if I want to go back to my home directory, I don't have to type this cshome/r. I just can type cd change directory and tilde, and it will get me back to my home folder, home directory. So I'm here now, and let's just and usually you will be working inside your home folder, so you don't need to know what's going on in the rest of the file system for now. So let's see what is inside my home folder, and to do that, I will need to use the ls command. ls means list, so it will list all folders and files. So I type ls, I hit enter, and I see that there are quite a few files and folders inside here. And now I want to create a new folder, a new directory. So to do that, I type mkdir, which means make directory or make folder, and I just want to name it hello. Let's pretend that I will be writing a fancy hello world program inside that folder. So mkdir hello ls, and as you can see now, I have this new folder named hello, and I want to get inside this folder. To do that, I need to change a directory, cd change directory. So I need to get inside, so I type cd hello, hit enter, and as you can see now, my path is tilde/hello. So I'm still in my home directory, and inside that home directory there is a folder named hello, and I'm inside that folder. ls, I can see that this hello folder is empty now. So what I want to do now I want to create this hello.c program. So I just go to my favorite text editor, vim hello.c, and even though there is no hello.c file, it will be created automatically by Vim. So I go here and I'm just writing the code of my hello world program. I need to enter the I key to go into the insert mode, and please feel free to watch our Vim videos to see how it works. And I'm just starting to type my program, so I will try to do this rather quickly. Yeah, something like this. Printf hello. Oh, sorry, that was a mistake. Hello world. All right. And yeah, this is it. Escape colon WQ, so write and quit. Yeah, And now let's see. I have this hello.c file inside my hello folder. And what if I want to view what is inside this hello.c file? I can go to Vim. But what if I just want to quickly echo this file into my terminal window? To do that, I can use the cat command. Cat, it's not like a dog or cat, it's from the concatenation. So type cat hello.c. Yeah, and as you can see, my C program is just so I can see it in my terminal window without all the hustle and bustle of getting into the Vim. Alright, so now we know how to create a directory, how to create a new file using Vim, how to change directories. But what if we want to go back? So we know that there is a cd command to get inside some folder, but what if we want to move outside this folder? So now I'm in tilde/hello, but what if I want to move back to my home folder? To do that, I can use cd ... So ... means go one level up. So if I want to go 2 levels up, I can type something like ... So it means 1 level up, and then one level up again, but I just need to go 1 level up, so cd ... And as you can see, I'm now back in my home folder. Back to cd hello. Alright, so yeah, you see how the cd thing works. I'm going back. Alright, now I need to create a new folder, so let's pretend that I will start to write another 1C program. So I will just create a new folder named dwait. There is another program from your textbook. So as you can see, currently I have this hello folder and a dwait program folder, sorry. And let's pretend that I want to copy this hello.c file from the hello folder to the dwait folder, so that I don't need to start the dwait program from scratch, and I can use the hello.c as a template for my new C program. So I think it's somewhat reasonable to do that. So I need to copy this hello C, and to copy a file I use a cp command, and cp goes for copy, cp copy, yeah, hello .c. And now it gets a little bit complicated, so I need to copy this hello.c where? Into the dwait folder. So I need to go 1 level up, and then when I'm 1 level up, I need to get inside the dwait directory. So yeah, just follow me here. So I'm copying what? I'm copying hello.c to where? To the directory named dwait, which is located 1 level up. Yeah. So this command is here. I'm hitting enter, and let's see. So cd ... cd dwait ls. Yeah, so we have this hello.c program, but we need to rename it. And to rename or move the file, there is this fancy mv command. So it moves or and renames the file. So there are 2 use cases for this mv command. So now I want just to rename the hello.c file. So I'm kind of moving the file into itself, but with a new name. So it's mv hello.c, and I think you noticed that I can just type mvh and just hit a tab button, and yeah, so hello.c appears automatically. So mv hello.c dwait.c ls. So as you can see, we renamed the file hello.c, and now it has a new name. And we can also use the mv command to move the files, just like so we can just move the dwait c to some other folder. I think it's pretty clear, so you can try the move command to move your files between different folders. Alright, so what if I don't want to have this dwait.c file anymore? So I just made a mistake or something, I need to delete this file. To do that, I use, you can guess that it's a dl command, but no, it's an rm command, which means remove. So I'm removing this file, and this is quite simple, remove dwait.c. Yeah, and you're pretty safe here because it will ask you, do you really want to remove this file? So if I really want to do that, I just type y, which means yes. Yes, I'm hitting enter, and let's see. Yeah, so the folder is empty now. There is no dwait.c file anymore, so we're good to go now. Alright, so just one last command to get you started. This is a really helpful one, man. So man means manual, and you can open a manual for any Linux command. Just something like man rm. So I just want to know more about the rm command. So for instance, I want to know how to remove not a file but a folder, or I want to know more about forcing, so not seeing all the questions about each file and folder. I'm just scrolling down and reading this this documentation, and there is a lot here. And to quit the manual, I need to press Q to quit. Another option to get some help is by using the help argument. So you can, instead of using man rm, you can use rm help. So this is a help parameter, and as you can see here, it's also quite useful. But all right, I will cheat. I will use a mouse to scroll up this window, and just to see that it's a smaller version of the manual, but it's also quite useful to see. And sometimes it's even easier to see this smaller version. By the way, if you're curious how to scroll up without using your mouse, of course there is a way. So it's a little bit more complex, and we will speak about it later, but you need to use something like this, rm help less. So I'm just giving the output of this rm help command into the less command, and the less command just allows me to scroll the output of the rm help command. And again, Q quits the last command. But it's not something that you need to know right now. Just I wanted you to see that even though I have a mouse, I have all the ways to do everything I need using only my keyboard and only typing different commands. It's super complicated sometimes, but when you get used to it, you might find it even simpler than using your usual graphical user interface. All right, good luck with that, and you're encouraged to connect your lab machine and just to try out different things and see how they work. Good luck using Unix command line interface.